In this video, we're combining more than one function in a single formula in Excel. For this example, we're using this database containing names, surnames, and student information from a class list. The student information of each learner tells us the grade and the class for each learner, but this is contained within a single cell. Let's say we want to use the grade and the class data separately. In order to do this, we separate the grade and the class data into their own cells by combining a couple of functions. In this cell, the function does two things. It finds the information in cell B2 to the left of the comma, which, as you can see, is grade 12, and it places that information in cell C2. So let's write a formula that does the same kind of thing to separate everything to the right of the comma, that's the class information, and displays it in this cell D2. So first we use the right function to indicate that we're looking to extract information from the right part of the text string. Now we add the location of the text string, that's B2. Now we add the number of characters that should be copied. To determine this, we need to do a little calculation. We start by using the len function to calculate the length of the whole text string, that's the learner data, and the find function to identify the location of the space in the string. We then subtract the location of the space from the value of the whole string in order to determine the length of the class data that the cell should display. So this function really allows us to find information to the right of a certain spot in a string located in a particular cell, and then display that information in a separate cell.